In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register Taobao account. We'll walk through the process from opening the website to creating your password so you can start shopping with confidence. First, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern option, and go to either world.taobao.com or login.taobao.com. If the page appears in Chinese, feel free to turn on your browser's translate feature for clarity. Make sure you're on the official Taobao domain and keep your mobile phone handy because you'll need it for verification. On the login screen, look for the register button. It might also appear as Mian Fei Zhu Si. It's usually located near or below the login fields. Click that to begin your account setup. You'll then be asked for your mobile number. Before entering it, click the country or region dropdown and select your location so the correct country code is applied. For example, if you're in the Philippines, choose the +63 option. Otherwise, pick the one that matches your region. Now type your mobile number without the leading 0. Many countries format mobile numbers with a starting 0 domestically, but international forms typically require you to remove it. Double check the format, then click Next. A quick slider verification will appear. Drag the slider to complete the puzzle image. This simple step helps confirm you're a real person. If it doesn't load, refresh the page and ensure any script blockers are disabled for this site. Next, Taobao will text a 6-digit code to the number you provided. Enter that code exactly as shown. These codes usually expire quickly, so type it in promptly. If you don't receive it after a short wait, use the resend option and confirm you have Signal or data enabled for SMS. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a password. Choose one that's 6 to 20 characters long, and for better security, include a mix of letters and numbers. Avoid predictable details and store your password somewhere secure if you need a reminder. You'll then see checkboxes for the user agreement and privacy policy. You can open and review them, and when you're ready, tick the boxes and continue. That's it. Your Taobao account is now created. You may be redirected to the login page or taken straight to the home page. Sign in with your new details, and you're ready to explore. If you run into any hiccups, try a different browser, clear your cache, or repeat the SMS step carefully. Enjoy your new Taobao account and happy shopping.